The most successful Asian Paints Limited has come a long way since its small beginning in 1942. It was set up as a small partnership firm by four friends who were willing to take on the world's biggest, most famous paint companies operating in India at that time. In the last 25 years, Asian Paints became a corporate force and India's leading paint company. Driven by its strong consumer focus and innovative spirit, the company has been the market leader in paint industry since 1967. Now the Asian Paints is almost double the size of any other paint company in India. During the first week of April 2011, the Asian Paints share was quoted in the market for just 250 rupees and started rising steadily over the last 10 years without any setback. By first week of April 2020, the share was quoted at rupees 1520, giving a superb return of more than 500%. Asian Paints is always liberal in delighting its shareholders by distributing interim, special and final dividend. Asian Paints Limited is having very strong business segments. Decorative coatings is the largest contributor to Asian Paints revenues with its very strong and comprehensive product portfolio, which consists of paints, painting tools, waterproofing solutions and wall coverings. The launch of many new products backed by research aimed at fulfilling consumer expectations add to this achievement. Mr. Ashwin Dani, chairman of the company, stated that Asian Paints continuously innovated by launching new products and services and being the most inspirational home decor brand for consumers. Asian Paints is successfully playing in the industrial coating space with high performance, high quality offerings through joint ventures with leading global players in the industry. The company has significant presence in automobile sectors, industrial, marine and packing industries. The company's main drivers of growth is its steady increase in net sales revenue. The net profit of the company is consistently growing year by year without any setback. Asian Paints Limited is able to maintain around 30% of net profit margin, which is really amazing. The highly stable return on net worth and capital employed indicates the company's sound operational efficiency and financial management. The inventory turnover ratio indicates the company's efficient working capital management. The promoters of Asian Paints Limited is highly dedicated and involved in the project. Their stake is more than 50% in the last 10 years. The significant and stable investment by the institutional investors indicate their confidence over the performance of Asian Paints Limited. Asian Paints engage with customers across all levels and stages. Equipped with a comprehensive product suite, the company offers best-in-class services and ensure active customer engagement. The focus is always empower customers by delivering value. The Asian Paints Limited has built very powerful brands and they have earned the trust of consumers and loved by billions globally. The brands are leaders in the market they operate in. The company employs more than 7,500 strong team of knowledgeable, skilled and passionate people. The company nurtures talent and empowers workforce to create new benchmark of performance and excellence. Asian Paints treat its vendors and suppliers as partners in progress. It helps them to improve their process, efficiencies, and quality through regular inputs and training, creating a win-win situation for both.